Greetings, everyone. The fish industry, projected to reach $1.19 trillion by 2028, suffered a $22.2 billion loss due to algae blooms from 1987 to 1992 and is increasing every year. 50% of all fish come from farms, often plagued by disease and pollution. In our country, Nepal, with an estimated production of 70,000 metric tons annually, losses due to algae blooms and disease outbreaks reach millions of dollars. Here is few of the many awe-inspiring stories from Kusadevi and a governmental body known as Central Fisheries Promotion and Conservation Center. This isn't just a story of individual farmers. It's a sobering reminder of the harsh realities faced by many in the Nepali aquaculture industry. Our mission is to empower fish farmers, enhance fish health, and promote sustainable practices through smart solutions. Introducing Dr. Fish.
So how do we do it? Our solution features a smart IoT device monitoring key water parameters like temperature, pH level, oxygen, nitrogen content, and turbidity. Advanced algorithm analyze water quality changes, detect disease outbreak via image analysis, and alert farmers to harmful algae blooms. These features are available through our mobile app and web interface, giving farmers a fish health dashboard at their fingertips to maximize their profitability and optimize their harvest.
Now let's delve into the market opportunity. The global demand for water monitoring systems in aquaculture is a substantial $58.5 billion. We focus on the $14.6 billion segment encompassing freshwater and inland fish farmers. Within that segment, we target inland freshwater aquaculture, including their hatcheries, representing a 60% share. By 2030, we aim to capture 15% market share, valued at $1.3 billion, presenting a substantial revenue opportunity. Dr. Fish, priced at $1,000 with a healthy net profit margin of 32%, offers a compelling value proposition to our target market.
Our customers are local to industrial level inland aquaculture practitioners, aquariums, hatcheries, and research agencies. Dr. Fish will be available in our website, major hardware shops, and veterinaries. We will be marketing our product through digital marketing and through different conferences. As a company, we will be generating revenue through our hardware sales, its maintenance, and software subscription. So, how will Dr. Fish create, deliver, and capture value in the market? We are in talks with Central Fishery Promotion and Conservation Center to conduct tests, validate, and build trust around our product. We plan to target the domestic market by ensuring availability through veterinary channels. Dr. Fish will expand into international market by tying up with international agencies. Our distinct advantages over our competitors lies in our hardware pricing and in our innovative use of AI. Dr. Fish aims to build better customer relation with an accessible and simplistic interface to serve farmers with all tech backgrounds. Dr. Fish is more than just an aquaculture company. We, through tech innovation, bring sustainable aquaculture practices to the farmers, contributing to the reduction of water pollution. We empower farmers by providing them with proper technological guidance and opportunity to grow their skill and expertise. Dr. Fish invite you to join us as we transform traditional practices with technological excellence.